No one likes paying more for their phone service, but thanks to a state House vote on Monday, you could soon see a hike in the fee that helps counties pay for 911 emergency services. The state House voted 134 to 59 to hike the state's 911 fee to $1.65 a month. Right now, that fee ranges from $1 to $1.50 per month. Supporters say the change is necessary to keep up with changes in technology, and a group that represents county commissioners wants to boost the fee to $2 a month. It still requires Senate approval and Governor Tom Wolf's signature. Critics, meanwhile, say the money isn't needed and the current state fund should cover the cost. If lawmakers fail to act by the end of the current budget year on June 30th, the fee will expire, provoking what some have described as a financial crisis for 911 centers. The House bill would raise an estimated $326 million a year for 911 centers. A spokeswoman for Senate Republicans said GOP leaders are optimistic they'll approve a bill by the June 30th deadline. For PennLive, this is John Misek.